Hey guys, welcome back to the Flawless Beauties channel. How are y'all doing today? So I'm super excited today because we have a new contact brand that we haven't showcased on our page yet before, and it's called Minteye. And it was founded by this woman named Molly, who is a contact wearer, and she wanted a company that had affordable and comfortable contacts. So we have a couple different pairs to try on. Really excited because they're my prescription, which I love. You know, not all color contacts have prescription. So that's really exciting. Your prescription too.
It's mine. I was gonna say we don't have the same prescription.
We don't have the same. I wear a -1. So mine's not too bad, but
I'm a -4.
Yes, but in the winter, especially right now, it's so dark outside, guys. I can't see without glasses or contacts. It's really bad. So, and it gets darker a lot earlier. So this is really great that we have some, and I got some really cool colors, and we'll get to showcase all those for you. And let's talk
about the packaging.
Yeah, I was about to say, I looked at my box.
So
look
cute.
at how cute it is. It makes me want to
cute.
save this little box.
Like, it is so cute. Like, mine is a magic diary. What is yours?
Mine's a love diary. Ooh.
It is so cute. My heart in the name of love. At the touch of love, everyone becomes a poet. But every once in a while, you'll find someone who's iridescent. And when you do, nothing will ever compare. It looks like a little book.
Yeah, it's cute. Mine's different. Mine says the Book of Love. May love, harmony, and understanding be aims of your marriage union. Best wishes for you. And then on the back it says, best wishes on this wonderful journey. As you build your new lives together, may the years ahead be filled with
She needs to be wearing her
tasting joy.
contacts.
Yeah, like this. Look, these are my natural eyes. I just got like medium brown eyes. I got nothing on right now.
But super cute.
Yes, we're about to be able to see. Maybe I should read it afterwards. Here we go.
It looks like a book. I love the freaking packaging.
I know. I'm gonna keep mine. Okay, so wishing your love is the May garden full of roses.
So, ow.
Okay, so it comes with
a case,
case, and little tweezers in case you have like really long nails and you can't put them on, you know, with your long nails. That's really nice. Or for whatever other reason you can't use your finger to put it in your eye. So we got the tweezers and the little, I call it the little dropper, that's to put in your contacts if you have long fingernails, and or another reason why you can't put them on your finger. So
I got the Bloom Blue Gray. And I also got the Crystal Blue. So one's going to be a little more blue and one's going to be a little more gray. I feel like
shiny
these pop the best because I have really dark brown eyes. And the lighter colors just seem to pop better. So
I have brown Haze Bloom, which I actually got just to kind of enhance my natural brown eyes. But something a little more natural, but still makes my natural eyes look just a little more enhanced. And then I got Green Elf, which I also like green because I have brown green eyes. We'll get up closer into the camera. But so I actually, green looks really natural on me too.
Well, I just
my lighter eyes.
Okay, so not only do you get this little case in your packaging, but when you open up your box, you get your pair of contacts. And you also get another
that's nice.
Another little case. So that is handy because I actually have clear contacts in right now. So I'm going to take those out and put these in here so I can put these on. So let's take a mini break for a second, and we're going to pop in our first pair of colored contacts by Minteye. Okay guys, we are back with our first pair of contacts in. I have the Crystal Blue in, and as you can see, major difference. Again, super dark brown eyes to literal crystal blue. I love the lighter colors on me. They make me feel like an exotic beauty. So I really like it. They were easy to go in. You know, just make sure you wash your hands before you go touching your eyes. But yeah, they're super comfortable. Like mega comfortable. You can't even tell that they're in. And sometimes with colored contacts, sometimes you can kind of see like the color around. And I didn't have that issue when I put these in. So, A+.
Okay, I got the Haze Brown. So I got these on purpose because I already have brown eyes. But these just kind of enhance my brown eyes. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but I can go ahead and take one out so you can kind of see the difference a little bit. So let me kind of get up close so y'all can see. Basically what it does, I'm just looking in the mirror down here. It kind of gives it more of like a lighter kind of green look to it a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'll take this one out. Okay, so I took the one contact out of this eye over here. So this is my natural eye here. This is the enhanced. It is a very minimal difference. So this one's without, this one is with. I hope y'all can see a little bit of a difference. This is a little bit more enhanced for me, and this is my natural eye. So I got these because I wanted more of a natural enhanced look because I actually don't have any contacts that are clear or that are naturally enhanced my natural eye. So this one just kind of brightens, as I would say, kind of like a little Snapchat filter where they kind of like brighten up your eye a little bit. So that's what I decided to do. So this one is the the Bloom Haze Brown. Okay guys, we're back with our next pair. And I have the e.l.f. green on, and you can definitely see a difference in my eye color this time. These are definitely a lot more green. They're this really pretty dark green, kind of like e.l.f. green, kind of reminds me of Christmas. It is Christmas time. So it is really pretty. They're nice fitting. How about yours? What do you got?
I have on the Bloom Blue. So it is still a blue color just like the last pair, but these are a darker, deeper, richer blue. You can really see obviously a difference just because I have dark brown eyes, but we're gonna go on a short break so we can each take out one contact just so you guys can see the difference that Minteye creates with their colored contact lenses. Okay, so we took a short little intermission and we each took out one contact. So this one is my natural brown eye, super dark brown eye, and then this is the Bloom Blue, which is a darker blue. And you can really see the difference when I do not have the one in.
So this one is my natural eye too, so these are our natural eyes right here. So this is my natural medium brown eye, and this is the e.l.f. green. So I have medium brown eyes. So I do have some natural green in my eye, actually. I have like a brown green eye, but more dominant brown. So adding the e.l.f. green, they look really green and really pretty. And I really like them because they fit my skin color and hair color as well. They look really natural on me.
Okay guys, Minteye was super generous and they gave us a discount code for you guys to use on their website for 20% off. Use the coupon code FLAWLESS. Again, that's going to get you 20% off of your order. These, I mean, I'm a contact where I always need contacts. It's like a never-ending cycle, obviously, because you can't wear them for too long. I mean, you just can't.
Yeah.
You gotta change them out, and our prescriptions change and everything else. So this is a really good deal for you guys, the 20% off. So make sure.
And the cutest. Literally the cutest little.
This is like the best packaging I have ever seen.
I mean, I'm gonna save my box, ain't gonna lie.
It's a little storybook. It's so cute. So make sure you guys check them out. And as always, make sure you like, share, subscribe, do all the things. And until next time,
bye guys.